Okay, so what's the real name first?
It's Patricia.
Trisha. Okay, and then what would be the nickname?
Hello, wait, what happened?
Adrian, your voice is being broadcast on the radio. I need you to know that and understand that. We have your girlfriend, Elena, on the phone. Who is Trisha?
Who the hell is Trisha, huh?
What's going on right now?
Everything is okay. Just tell us who the woman is, Trisha.
Adrian, speak up. Who's Trisha, idiot? Who the hell is Trisha?
She's a girl.
She's a girl? Oh my god, I can't believe you. I was literally gonna move in with you at my parents. They're like, oh my god, is he gonna be the one? And you're here like sending roses to some other girl? Who the hell? What is going on?
I don't know what's going on right now. What's happening?
No, Adrian, what's happening is this. Your girlfriend of 5 years is expecting a proposal. She's moving in with you because she thinks you're going to be married. She's concerned that her family isn't going to approve of you living together. Now she's upset and concerned because she thinks you're cheating on her with a woman named Trisha. What's going on?
I don't know what to say. Elena, I'm sorry.
Sorry, that's all you gotta say? Who the hell is Trisha? What are you doing? Who is this person?
She's another girl I've been seeing.
Another girl you've been seeing? You've been going out with me for 5 years? What do you mean you've been seeing somebody else? Oh my god! I can't believe you 5 years? 5 years down the drain like this? 5 years.
I don't understand. Sorry.
Oh my god. Are you laughing? Was that a chuckle?
It's a nervous reaction. I don't know what's happening right now. This is unbelievable.
Oh, you just got busted. That's what happened right now, Adrian. You just got busted, okay? I can't believe that we've been dating for 5 years and you have been seeing somebody else and then you asked me to move in with you? What's the point? Why did you even ask me that?
Adrian, how long have you been seeing Trisha?
Probably about 5 years.
You gotta be kidding me. Is there anybody else at this point?
No. It's just you two.
Well, no, Adrian, Elena, I understand your fury, and you should feel that. Adrian, what is going through your head to think that is a respectable, appropriate, okay thing to do, and then you're inviting Elena to move in with you? Where do you think this is going to end?
I guess I thought I could do two things at one time. I was gonna have her move in, and I was gonna ask Trisha to marry me.
What?
I'm confused. What are you talking about? How are you gonna? Rach, you're not even making sense. You're gonna ask Elena to move in with you and marry another woman? How are you gonna do that?
Oh my god.
Trisha on her own place. I was gonna live there as well.
Why are you telling me this?
I mean, might as well. It's out and open. You know.
You're not You're not normal, and you're not a good person, man.
No. You're a psychopath, okay? You're a psychopath, and I cannot believe you. You know what? I'm burning all your clothes. Like, don't even come and pick up any of your crap at my house. It's all gone.
I just want you to find out this way. This is...
Which way did you want her to find out?
Well, I just wanted to break it to her in private, not on the radio. This is insane. I don't
This is insane.
Wow.
Is exact. Does Trisha know about Elena?
No.
All right,
Nope, she's listening.
Elena, you're right. We should get off the phone right now. And hey, Elena, I don't know if you're religious or not, but I would look up and thank to whomever or whatever you pray to.
I know.
Because
Thank
you
God.
did not
Thank
move
God.
in with this guy.